Hey everyone, need to find your card number using the Bank of America app? Here's how you can do it in just a few steps. First of all, open the Bank of America app and log in securely using your username and password or fingerprint. From the home screen, go to the Accounts section and select the account linked to your card. Now choose the debit or credit card you need information for. Tap View Card Details for security. You may need to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once verified, your card number, expiration date, and CVV will be displayed. Remember to keep this information private and secure. And that's it. Finding your card number on the Bank of America app is simple and secure. And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.